So, all of you, as I said it just now, it is one of the very important question from this chapter. In most of the board exam, it will appear in that, and definitely it will come for long answer. Right? Clear. Only in rare cases they won't give this question in board exam. So the theorem is BPT, basic proportionality theorem, which is also called as Thales theorem. Right? And it is also known as Thales theorem. Right? First, let us understand the statement of this. Right? Now suppose a triangle is given. Basically, obviously, triangle will have three sides. So, when a triangle is given and if we draw a line parallel to one side of the triangle. Right, suppose I am drawing a line parallel to BC. Suppose I am drawing line parallel to B. This is BC. And I am drawing the line parallel to BC. Right. So whenever you draw a line parallel to any one side of the triangle, then that line will divide other two sides in equal ratio. Right. For example, these 2 points will take D, E as per, right. Clear? Now, see, this is the triangle ABC. I am drawing a line DE, which is parallel to BC. Then this line DE will divide the other two sides. What are the other two sides? AB and AC. No? Right. I have drawn line parallel to BC. Other two sides are AB and AC. Then this line will divide other two sides into equal ratio. See, AD by DB. AD, DB, two parts. Right. Here, AE by EC. So these are the ratios which are made by that one line. Right. Now these two will be equal. If these two are equal, then we can say that this is BPT. Getting? And that will be equal whenever we are applying the BPT concept. Getting with this point? So, see, अगर किसी दिए गए ट्रायंगल में एक लाइन के पैरेलल को हम एक और लाइन बनाएंगे, किसी एक साइड को एक लाइन पैरेलल ड्रॉ करेंगे, सो वो लाइन जो हम ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, जो कि DE है इस क्वेश्चन इसमें, वो लाइन क्या करेगा, बाकी बचे से दो साइड को टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेगा और उनका रेशियो सेम रहेगा. राइट. अभी देखो ये D इसको डिवाइड कर रहा है ना AD और DB में, ये E इसको डिवाइड कर रहा है ना AE और EC में, ये दोनों का रेशियो इक्वल रहेगा. गेटिंग आइडिया विद दिस पॉइंट एवरीवन? राइट. दिस इज कॉल्ड थेल्स थ्योरम और बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम. क्लियर विद दिस पॉइंट? राइट. सो वी नीड टू प्रूव दिस वन. व्हाट वी हैव टू प्रूव? वी हैव टू प्रूव दिस वन. Required to prove in our this theorem. Okay? Right. Clear with the statement? Now, here to do this, let us go a little bit directly as it is just a quick revision work. So this video will be deleted from YouTube channel within 1 week. Right. After immediately finish exam, we'll delete it because it's not actual class. Clear with this point everyone? Right, so you finish it, immediately the day maths exam will finish, this video will also be deleted. Right, okay? So, now, first what you do, from here, you draw a perpendicular onto this one, 90-degree line. And this you give some name. In your book they are giving the name as M. Right? So this is all you have to write here as shown in your textbook, but I am not writing as it is just a quick revision one. Right? And from here you draw one more perpendicular onto this side. and they are giving it as the name of N. Clear with this point, everyone? Right? And parallelly, after that, you do this joining work. B and E you join. B, E, and D, C. Clear? Once you do this 4 joining work, first draw 2 perpendiculars and D, C, B, E. You join it. Then we start our problem, theorem. Got with this point, everyone? Right? So clear with the diagram part and clear with the statement orally. Written, it's already written in textbook, you check it out. Right? And clear what we need to prove? AB by DB is equal to AE by EC. Right? Observe for a while, everyone. Don't write anything, just observe. Got the idea what we done in the diagram? Right. Now, see, again as I said you, in our institute what we follow, whenever diagram is complicated, we make it easy by dividing into parts. Right. The division work I will do here in the rough part. You don't do this in the fair work. You also can do in rough work. Clear? Now, look at this triangle very carefully. If you observe, you can see there is a triangle A, D, E. Right? Is there?
Yes, sir.
One more triangle if we see, on this base I am doing first, AB base. D, E, B. So, are you able to get these 2 triangles on AB?
Sir.
On AB side. Right, that 2 sides you take which have been divided. This 2 sides divided now. So 4 triangles you'll get now. So these 2 triangles are on side A and B, AB. Next 2 more triangles. See, for this I am taking base EN. Perpendicular line I am taking EN. Right, if you look at in your book, they give directly half AD into EN. They didn't divide the diagram like this. Now that half AD into EN comes from basic formula of the triangle area. What is the area of triangle formula? Half into base into height. General one. From that they will get this step. Okay? So for case 1 I will do these 2 diagrams. For case 2 also look at now. Again draw A, D, E. But now take perpendicular this one. D, M. Because now I am drawing triangles on AC. Right, first case on side AB. Second case on side AC. Now here you take BD completed, CDE. D, E, here somewhere you write C. So are you able to sense it? C, D, E. So this I'll use for case 1, this I'll be using for case 2. From those 4 diagrams, I'll write 4 equations and I'll do some division work and we'll get ultimately our answer. Getting idea here, everyone? Right?
But EBC also we can write.
But no need right now. Clear with this point? Okay, so understood how I divided diagram? On one side you make 2 triangles on the base AB. On the base AC, by keeping base AC you draw 2 more triangles. Getting idea with this? Right. Now look at the process here, everyone. Directly I am writing you. Case 1. See. What we get here? Simply, if we apply, okay, directly I will be writing. Area of triangle is half into base into height. Clear? So, area of triangle ADE is nothing but half into base. What is our base? Here if you look at in your book, they are using the word AD. Right. So don't confuse. It is our triangle. Now mostly when you see diagram, you feel that base is DE. But not necessary. Wherever the perpendicular line has been drawn, that you take it as base. Where is this perpendicular line on AD now?
Yes, sir.
So AD is our base. Half into AD into half into base into height. Height will be EN. That perpendicular line will be height. Basically we'll draw like this. Perpendicular line is nothing but height. But this diagram is like this. Getting idea here, everyone? Always base will be like horizontal, but in this base is not horizontal exactly. Getting with this point? Right, so don't confuse with the diagram. Half into base into height. Height is EN. Next, area of triangle BDE. BDE. Half into base into height. Now look at. Here, its base is BD. Height you have to take same because overall this is on the same AB now. This triangle and this triangle are on same AB.
Yes.
So height will remain same. That's why if you look at, they wrote 2 times EN. Getting with this point, everyone? Height will remain same. Now base is this one. See, this perpendicular line is on DB also now, overall. So that's why this is base that I can write as BD. Height will remain same perpendicular line. EN. Getting with this point? Half into base into height. Now, this is equation 1, equation 2. Now you do equation 1 divided by equation 2. So area of triangle ADE, area of triangle BDE, if you divide half into AD into EN by half into BD into EN, EN, half cancel. So this is AD by BD. This is Roman number 1. You can consider equation as Roman number 1. Any name you have to give. Right, clear? Now one case completed. Same thing you have to do with the second case. But now for these 2 triangles. Okay? So look at here. Case 2. Area of triangle ADE. Half into base into height. What is our base? Now we are on that side now. Right. AE. Right. Height will be DM. See, AE is the base. DM is the perpendicular. That is height. Let it be equation number 3. Next. Area of triangle CDE. CDE. Half into base into height. See, base will remain same. Here EC means this base. Right. So this one EC on the same line you have to take. Right. EC is coming on the same line now. So EC is our base. Height will remain same whatever we took in the third case. Third triangle. Getting with this? So it is on the same base, so height will remain same. DM. Equation number 4. Now you do equation 3 divided by equation 4. So what does it give you? Triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CDE. So here you write area. Now half into AE into DM, half into EC into DM. DM cancel, half of AE by EC. This we name it as Roman number 2. Got with this point everyone? Right. So we got 2 Roman equations. Now here you have to write one sentence. See. If you look at very carefully, triangle BDE and triangle CDE, they are on the same base. See, triangle BDE, if you look at, it is on the base D. Right? D के ऊपर ही ना होगी. Right? इसको मैं ऐसे imagine कर लूँगा. So D base बन जाएगा. Right? And if you look at triangle CDE, CDE, this triangle, red color, it is also on the base D. So triangle BDE, triangle CDE are on the same base BD, not BD, DE. Right? And both triangles are in between the same parallel lines. Right? For this triangle BDE, DE and BC are the parallel lines. For this triangle CDE, DE and BC are the parallel lines. Right? So, when two given triangles, if they have the same base and are in between same parallel lines, then their areas will also remain same. Getting idea with this point everyone? Their areas will also remain same. Right. Now we have to use that word only, that concept. If you look at in your book, this will be written in at the bottom of almost at the end of the problem. See, observe the triangle BDE, CDE are on the same base and between same parallel lines. They didn't wrote the word line, but you understand. D and BC are the parallel lines. Right. So if they are on the same parallel lines, then those two triangles area should also be equal. Getting with this point everyone? So that sentence I am writing here. Now triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on same base D, E and are between same parallel lines, same parallel lines. They are DE and BC. So if they are on the same base and same between same parallel lines, then their areas will be equal. Area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. Now both the areas are equal, right? So now what we do, in this Roman number 1 and Roman number 2, we will change their areas. Right? Now after some time I will do that. This is much clear everyone? Right? Till this point, observe for 2 minutes. Then after that I will do some part. Writing work you do from the video. Pause the video in the channel and do the writing work. Not just observe this much. Okay, you can go. If you understand this one theorem, you can do complete 9.1 exercise. Next, whatever the exercise is there completely depends on this theorem. Keep quiet. Understood everyone? Right? Now, the remaining part is see. Now, see here, according to this, what will happen to equation 1? See, what is our equation 1? Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE equal to AD by BD, right? And equation 2, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE equal to AC by EC. This is our equations, Roman 1 and Roman 2. But what I said just now, here both areas are equal.
Sir.
So this area instead of CDE, I can write BDE also. No?
Sir.
Just now we said CD and BD area are equal. Now look at both equation left side. Both are same. Both are same now. AD by BD, AD by BD. So as both are same, we can equate Roman 1 and Roman 2. When we equate left hand side, we should equate right hand side also. Thus AD by BD also we should equate AE by EC. So if we equate, you will get our answer. Got with this point everyone? So BD के CD के जगह मैंने BD लिख दिया उसी इक्वेशन में. So दोनों लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल हो गए. So लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को भूल जाओ, राइट हैंड साइड को इक्वेट कर दो. Getting with this? Now we get, this is our answer. We got it now. AD by, I wrote DB here I wrote BD, doesn't matter. Both are distances. Right, 5 into 2, 2 into 5, same way. AB is equal to BA, unless until vectors will come, that is in the 11th class. Right, in school life we don't have the vector concept. Clear with this point everyone? Okay, understood all of you? Right, so this is how you have to go through the theorems. Remember, theorems in some ending few minutes in the evening time, you will never ever understand. If I explain you quickly, forever you will never understand the theorem as long as you go in a detailed class. Okay, but in hurry-burry, theorems can never be done.